Are you having trouble resetting your FaceTime on your iPhone? Are you constantly getting errors and don't know how to fix them? In this video, I will walk you through the steps to quickly and easily reset FaceTime on your iPhone. I'll explain the process step by step so that no matter what version of iOS you're running, you can get back up and running in a few seconds. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how to get started. Open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called FaceTime. Once you find it, tap on it. So now all you have to do next to reset your FaceTime is to simply toggle this off. And now that you've disabled FaceTime, just wait about 10 seconds and toggle it back on. And now you have successfully activated FaceTime again. And by resetting it like this, you will fix any glitches and bugs if you have anything like that when using FaceTime. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comment section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.